Today we got our Amazon seat covers. These came directly from China. I appreciate them drop shipping. Actually got here pretty quick. They got here in like 3 or 4 days. I just opened the box. I haven't undone the box yet. This is how it comes packaged. So these are the seat covers. It's going to go on my Ford Maverick. And let's check it out. Right out. Okay. Move it to the side. So I went with the black seat covers. They're sealed in this nice bag. Everything's in there. Here's all the clips. It comes with, to install the seat covers, this can have instructions. It is sealed. So we're going to try to do this with one hand as we do it. It's good times. Don't want to break the seat covers, so let's be very careful about that. Finally got it cut open. Took me a second. It's a little hard to do when you're recording. These are all the different pieces to the truck. Let's go ahead and start with the first thing they give you is you get this bag with instructions. It has all the clips. It says, let's show your car a new posture for the seat covers. So that's bundled pretty nice. It has little picks for putting it in there. And these are the different parts of the seat. So let me tell you my first impression. It feels pretty close to the leather that Ford gives you. It does have these nice fiber weaves in them as well. It smells, it definitely has a little bit of a smell to it. So you might want to honestly air these things out, which is what I think I'm going to do before I put them in. But it's definitely like, look, let's touch it. You feel that? It feels good. It doesn't feel cheap at all. Let's check how thick it is. So the main thing people want to know is the thickness. So here's the thickness. So it looks like it's like microfiber, padding. Let's look at my finger, for example. So it's like a little less than, I don't know, say like half an inch of thickness. And it has a little support and looks like it's pretty well made inside. So that's the inside. And that's just the back cover. It has the pockets for you to put your stuff in there. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox everything and lay it out. Give me 1 second. Actually pretty good detailed instructions. The instructions are in English. And it tells you exactly what you need to do. So kudos to them with the pictures. This is a real slow scan of the instructions. You get all the headrests, and they even give you the armrest cover there. I'm letting this stuff air out right now, and I'm going to start the installation. And let's see how hard this is to do by yourself. We'll find out together. People wondering, these are the headrests installed. This is how it looks not installed. So there is a difference. I have to put it on. It does require a little bit of squeezing, but look. Hear a difference? Comes out pretty good. It's a tight fit, but it definitely works pretty well. If you have the cloth, I'd recommend these for sure. But it's looking pretty good. It goes over the leather as well. So we'll see how the rest goes. And I do have it in my back. I'm finishing up. Super check. With this, you want to push down on the headrest and then pull at the same time. So you're going to push and push down, and you'll get these on. As you see, I've already done this one, and my middle one. These are my main ones. So they are very tight. They fit pretty well. You just have to know. So do one side. So press down and push down. So press down on the fabric and push down on the new one, and it'll install in no time. That's the trick of the trade to do this. Alright guys, I got the first seat cover installed. Fits pretty good. It does not cover the buttons over here like the picture show, just FYI. And this is a little, I need to finish tightening it down. It has a little bit of, smidge a bit of play. I think once I break it in, it'll be a lot better. Need to pull that a little bit tighter. The install is a little difficult. If you're not mechanically inclined, you might want to pay someone to help you install this, but it definitely does install. There's the stockies, and this is the kit here. So that's how it looks on the Ford Maverick. Definitely not an easy install. I'm going to finish the backs right now. It's taking me a little longer than I thought to do, but it's doable. Probably the easiest installation you'll do, you just run these straps through, tighten them up and tie them together. It's actually pretty easy if you pull the top part out. Sorry for the flashlight, it's kind of dark in my garage, but as you see, it works fine. You just got to tighten it and then line up the holes. It's pretty simple. I'm waiting to fold this over. You kind of have to make sure you wrinkle this. It's going to look like this until it stretches out, but it's the same thing. You have the straps, tighten them down, and when you're done, you're going to want to pull on the handle. I apologize, it's dark, but let's see how this looks. Oh wow, that actually looks pretty dang good. So that's the backs. The backs are all installed. I put the heat. This is the rest with the things. I'm going to finish up this car cover, but that's basically installation. I've already done this side. I just got to finish up the last seat. You can kind of see the difference on the non-car cover to car cover. This install is not easy. I'm going to have to push these and fix these just a little bit. Push these in. But beside that, like, feel this. Listen. It's pretty quality. I don't know if it's as good as the mob bed. This has a little zipper. But if you're a person who knows how to install and has patience, I could recommend this kit. It does look really good, especially if you have the cloth. It's pretty nice. Feel it, listen. Pretty solid. This is the seat covers. It looks pretty dang good. Let me see if I can get a better thing of the truck. This is for the Ford Maverick, but it covers most of the good stuff. It looks pretty dang good. Seat belts are still going to work with it. It has a little zipper to push down the middle case, and feels pretty premium. Let's go ahead and let's just sit in them. Oh yeah, hear that? It feels good. I mean, if you have cloth, I definitely recommend checking these out. But if you have the leather, you might want to keep it. I don't know. Feels very similar to leather. Similar feel, but this feels good in the skin. This is pretty, like, high-tech. So definitely check these out if you're interested. You can install yourself. It did take me a little while. It probably took me about an hour reading the directions and just a lot of finessing. So just remember that it's going to take a little bit of time to install, or have someone who's patient help you do it.